Hi everyone and welcome back to my daily report market analysis videos with me, Richard Perry, market analyst at Hantec on Friday the 28th of February. Looking at Eurodollar, which continues to rally actually. This dollar correction that we've seen in the past few sessions that has really taken hold through Eurodollar actually, but the dollar correction has moved significantly higher. What a daily candle that was. I sort of looked back through the chart of Eurodollar and I didn't see a session like that on Eurodollar, I think, since 2017. So we've seen that massive rally yesterday and it's continued into today. It doesn't really look as though it's stopping at the moment. 1.1065 was an old pivot line on Eurodollar, and it'll be a basis of resistance now. But 111 big figure as well, I think, is a key level to watch, because that was an old key support coming in. So ultimately that becomes a key resistance. So it's interesting that we've seen this continuation today. It looked early morning before the European traders came in that Eurodollar was beginning to sort of consolidate a little bit, but it's sort of again taken another leg of move higher. 40 pips up on the day, as I said, 1065 and 11 big figure, the sort of resistance area now. But you're back into this sort of clutch of falling moving averages really. So it is essentially still an unwinding move, and sort of looking at the longer term implications, it just has unwound back into a big area of resistance. The question would be, what happens to Eurodollar once that selling pressure on the dollar just starts to dissipate? Will the dollar then start to regain its status as a safe haven asset? As I said in the morning report, you've got the fact that the yen last week was the big currency that suffered, but again this week has regained its safe haven status. So the question would be, will the same happen to the dollar? I'm a bit tempted to say yes, I think it will. And ultimately I think that this is a technical rally that probably will start to build resistance again and then start to fall over, because the Eurozone is not going to be an economy that's going to be recovering anytime soon. It's just that markets have knee-jerk reacted to the sort of changing expectations of Fed monetary policy, but ultimately will that be the case? So we've seen that technical rally on Eurodollar. Is it going to last? Well, the resistance 1065 to 11 big figure, you've got the momentum indicators are clearly positive on a near-term basis as this reaction higher has gone on, and the MACD lines are accelerating, as are the stochastics. But RSI in the 60s, well, you'd say that you'd still be back in the technical rally at this stage, but once it starts to find resistance, it'll be interesting to see if the euro can maintain that strength. Let's look on the hourly chart. We're just going higher. It's just legs higher. You've got a near-term breakout above 1005. Basis of support 10980, interestingly, this morning, and that was the old floor. So that is an interesting turning point of old pivot line now. But as I said, 1065 is the level to look out for. So with that in mind, I wish you good luck in your trading today. You can click here to sign up for our webinars on our website, but also go to subscribe to our YouTube channel and see all our daily videos. With that in mind, I wish you good luck in your trading, and I'll speak to you later.